I wished I learned this first. I wished I learned that's the moment I'll become the man that every woman would desire. I wish I prioritized myself in my 18, 19, 20s, bro. But like we say, it's never too late. I'm in my mid 20s and you can learn from me because they say a fool learn from himself. A wise man learn from others' mistake. All right. Now hear me out. This video is gonna be about experiences, what I've learned in my past 26 years of life living on this planet Earth. And as a man that's trying to become the best version of himself, and as a man that have dated a lot of women, girls, have a relationship with that, and now just want to focus on himself to build something out of himself. Number one, bro, you have to prioritize yourself. Now, look, you are the stock. You are the stock in the market. There's something called the SMV, your sexual market value. As a man, your sexual market value is really important because the higher your SMV, the higher the chances of you getting the girl that you really want. Now, look, if you're a man and you don't take care of yourself, if you're a man and you care about your future, you don't care about having goal or being ambitious, you are gonna suffer. You are not gonna get the women that you want. You are not gonna get the money is the money, and you definitely not gonna get the respect that you want around your fellow men or even around women. You're not gonna get none of that. So it's really important for you to prioritize yourself. You should be your number one because the moment you put yourself first, that's the moment when the universe is going to take you first. And that's also the moment where people is going to take you first because people treat you how you view yourself. Meaning, if you view yourself as the one, many people gonna view you as the one also because people gonna respect you if you respect yourself. They're gonna talk shit to you if you talk shit to yourself. Like we said, also, you are the reflection of your own self. You are the reflection of the universe. What you think inward is what comes out with you, bro. Date, but don't stay in a committed relationship. Now, hear me out. This one gonna be a little heavy. If you have a girl and you locked in with her, bro, by all means necessary, do that. The moment where you start to see the women taking a lot of time from you, the moment that you see that you can focus because of women or because you can't control yourself or you can't put your foot down, I would say get away from one women for a little bit, bro. Get away from them, build yourself. Because at the end of the day, bro, if you don't build yourself, that same girl that you going above and beyond for is gonna leave you for the man that has more money, that looks way more handsome than you, and that got something going on for himself. Because this woman want a man that built something or a man that's building something. If you just like, oh my baby, I'll do everything for you. Oh my sweetheart, oh my princess, oh my highness. You just want to please her. You just want to make her your trophy. God, listen, that's not gonna happen. You gotta be trophy first. You gotta be your own trophy. Because when you are your own trophy, now she feel like she earned something. That's why we say men are the prize. You have to become the prize. Women are born with value. Women, they are born pretty. We're not gonna lie about that. Women are, listen, a pretty privilege or a pretty woman can walk somewhere alone and they just let her through. She can get something free from some guy just because she pretty. You as a guy, when was the last time somebody gave you $1 or cash up your $100 for free, bro? If that happens, let me know down in the comment. But like I said, number two, bro, date, but don't stay in a committed relationship. Once you're not stable, if you're not financial free, you shouldn't want to date or be in a relationship and not build yourself. 20s is when you build yourself. In your 20s also is gonna be a lot of trials and error. Like me, I've started doing this on YouTube shit for almost like 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, almost 6, 7, 8 years. All right. I was never this confident to sit in front of the camera and trying to talk to anybody. Maybe you and I are just watching each other. Maybe I might take this further. That depends on me. But just listen to me real quick. I've never thought I was gonna take this so far, but I kept doing it. But for some reason, when I don't do it or when I start something, I don't finish it, it kind of creeps on me a little bit. So I had to become this guy today that can sit in front of the camera and hold a conversation with myself, maybe with you watching this video. And that's my point, my key point number two. When you start building yourself, you build what I call a character. You become a different person on his purpose. Because a man has to be on a purpose. It don't matter what it is. Every man has a destination. All of us need to be somewhere. The moment you ignore those signs, those are the heavenly Father guidance or sign for us to become something in this world. God is really important. Always keep God within your heart. Don't be jealous. Don't be hatred. Don't hateful. Don't be envious. Keep those feelings out of your heart. Be grateful in the moment. Appreciate little things in your life. I'm not saying go out around and start laughing anywhere like a fucking maniac, but be grateful. Be appreciative. Because a lot of people out here really don't have what you have. If you can wake up out of your bed, get something to eat, have a job, or have something, or you still got your life, bro, just be grateful. Because a little moment of grace will go a long way. Because when you don't appreciate the little things in your life, how do you want God to bless you with a lot of things, bro? But that's my key point number two. I'm not gonna keep talking a lot about that. Key point number two, bro. Date, but don't be in a relationship for like lock down. That's all I'm trying to say. Lock down, bro. And number three, bro, I would say keep God. God should be like number first. I'm not gonna lie. But when you're doing everything, faith must be also a part of the equation. Right now, the equation is prioritize yourself. Date, meaning as a man, you're gonna need a woman that's in your life regardless, or you can just be on semen retention, lock in, period. And number three, you're gonna need God, the Most High. God is not up there in the sky looking at you and writing your name in certain type of book for you to do certain type of mistake. God is within you. God is inside of you. If you ever heard of the saying, body is your temple. Usually, what do we go to the temple to do? When we go to the mosque, we go to pray God in the mosque. When we go to church, we go to pray God. We go to celebrate God in the church. It don't matter what sanctuary you go to, is to go and worship some type of highest form, which is God we call. So don't you think when they say your body is your temple, God reside inside of your body? So the body being the temple, there must be a God in there, right? There must be God in there. So you have to worship God within you. Yes, pray outward, but keep in touch with your inward. Because whatever is inside is what shows on the outside. God is not up there. Like I said one more time, He's not up there, the sky. Not yeah, bro. God is everywhere. He's inside of you. That's God. The air that we breathe, everything around you is God. So don't limit yourself and be like, if I don't pray today, I'm a bad person. Bro, it's not that, bro. Just keep faith. Faith is a real thing. Just have faith in your heart. That's all that matters. The heart must be pure for you to become who you want to become. You can't be a man that want to become something great and be envious, jealous, have hatred towards your fellow man or have hatred towards anybody. It could never happen, bro. And that's all I'm trying to bring to your point today, bro. Build yourself, become something for yourself. So in the future, you can really sit down in your 30s, you can look at your 20s and be like, damn, I actually made it, man. And that's the end of the video. Let me know what you think down in the comments.